Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're looking at phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs using up and phrasal verbs using down. For example, here's a lovely picture. I'm going to put it up on the wall. Put it up on the wall. Actually, I don't like it. I'm going to take it down. You can turn something down. You can turn down the oven. Turn down the oven because the temperature is too high. Turn it down to 150 degrees. You can turn something up. You can turn up the volume on the TV. Turn up the volume, it's too quiet. I can't hear it. Oh, there's some money on the floor. Let me just bend down and pick it up and put it in my pocket. And let me just write a note. Okay, I finished writing. Now I'll put my pen down. English grammar, phrasal verbs with up and down. Easy peasy. I've picked up my cup, drunk my tea, I put it down and say thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye.